My ma akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVG so what friend me I do was searching.
Teacher for now. Ya pa mo on ba kuni. Ba kuni. Ya do go to school bay.
Community day high school.
E wa enfa.
Kwa obanya no.
Kwa obanya no.
Upper West Akim.
Upper West Akim enfa Samanka side.
Me say the name.
I want to do ko e. And to ko di how many days?
Man coffee life na after na kwaji introductory letter original office and sana.
Ya choose day.
I would say government na I revoke appointment for now
It's very few. Oh, now to aba.
That we want to.
One to aba. Hey, oh, compare by my man to aba. As a teacher, it's number of the monya. But me and as monya mahama.
Oh, that's an sir.
It's the dating around to aba.
We're not distance na barrier. Distance a barrier. Baby, na ma ba woni, baby na me won. Na ho wa intimacy ma ntimi aba beto.
It's no ankoto. It's one koto aba nti yenya ba adwuma no. Ye koto aba. Nti ne koto aba kopa adwuma ma mo sa ho. E me de pa nyame na etu aka. Nyame na etu aka ne wo. Nyame be den. Nyame na etu abo kapa. Ese pa mu nyina ba vie. Ya da mama ya da se ama nyame nhira o. Amasa se dey. Amu ni se wi o. Mo ba fie forever and ever. Mbe tira di I saw people's teacher here.
It's like about semi-Roman camp, about 89% of them preaching and not preaching openly. And they say, "Yeah, makremuni, ma meden, so." Now, advances, we are. Sorry, now, first time me be say, so for. Star on mine now we see a more than petrol, air cost to abentia baumiano, petrol no aba for moana. Also for Meko, also for Chinchinga, also for Wahala. Star will campaign now, oh yeah, you know. Me patro galam say ni ye jaya wo Ghana na. Also for campaign now, we ye tia MPP and then when you're some faswana. And now you say mamma metia BEC examination fees so say and why no is this the Ghana you wanted? Is this the research you wanted? But I don't blame you. Seriously, I don't blame the pastors. Sadly, they have some like unenthused citizens. Yes, yeah, dear. Ye me ni ya wanted to kwa etete ya sorry them with sikano ye bokura no ni bi kura obekwa kwagina won so mon tokai unim pefe udi ndi 2 million ya bo say 2 million fo ni na sorry no wa sorry kwagina ho na de ubedi epo no uni bi osofo no won ka odem osofo na ono first no opa akwohwe tete asofo Paul ne ho ahwa no kwohwe bra omulidi ye na nafa compare osofo na ubu ne chi nyankopon no enam nkomtrofo a omo cham nti me se ye nyina ye den yetimu bi ye nyina yetimu bi. Now let's start with what I said. One, you missing the opportunity to transform Ghana because Dr. Bawumia kon the campaign so nyina okeka niama obeye ena party bi gina nchen say eniama Bawumia so obeye ni nyina no enye papa enye correct eye tro enye good. Bawumia say ye gold be back here currency. Utie ye the gold be back here currency. John Jinapono mo say eye scam enya the papa eye prono. Yes, ye the gold be back here then your foreign reserves. Yes, you no so your chrono MPP for person mo bo. And ye tia akwasiampa phobia ye from media men wo Ghana. Ye from media personalities in Ghana. The most bonkoso media people you can find on this earth, you can find them in Ghana. and they mostly exist in Accra, Kumasi. And Kurasi for journalists, okay, Kurasi ni journalists ya. Asem na all can want ya see. Onim the fareba ipo. Nanso, said the beya or the bad drive what they call views in Tino. Sa a Jimmy Fonet na radio station. It means a assemwa NDC ni ken tro. Nanso, say ye cancer na crofobeti and almost we echo vieska. And a kata kakre. Na neti true crown UT before Bodam Fuego. Or baby and the name said to some Yakunama. No, I'm burning in an anabo. And I'm thankful for any main dear. And ya none can you now, nabo. Subject now, you'll be son of Yakraman in Foko or your research. The same call Ghana on. Sometimes, some call some of the shows, no, so it's like I'm rather the host. Cause host, no, or yes, what to me, Casa, yes, and I know, and went not through. There's no research. And Jacob in the Tikondong. Akwasi ampabre ko twiko bremani na ebu osakwa ni tirim. Eja kwabra metina UTV enyi bibi se o ene ye twa ye evidence ni ani say that there be no wa ye nanim se bofo a wakotutu afom no wa betina ho ekom wa de ne nkwasi asem wo pesuo die nti no wa twe na NDC fo aba be twatropoto ye di di atampoto ne yeko ene kufu ado ni obi o. The question I'm asking is Sandiamana NDC forecast said Dr. Baumia, scam, and ya papano. At then and Nadia Yabaya almost and one on me. A general Ukraine in Ghana, majority of the citizens know. It is so low to the point, say, every be number one. And Ubika say, Ghana is number 8 lowest IQ in Africa. And I was very offended. But say, who said the way I air corner? It is true. And the low IQ tells me, say, radio. Me NDC ni. Me win election. Me na meba power. Me se still amekwa kwashi police station. Mekwa kopamu obi afri in office. Ewa bra winim say, your president is appointing and no na to me anyone in same so be appointing. Enti sebi enya de ya MP before e wo ho no, ye be pamu bebre afri ho. You know that. But the low IQ no woni nti no. Oso obekwa kotu koko board for. Ye man the pen say one throw ni din a. Akwesi man who share NDC t-shirt when to and throw ni din. This one person koko. The low mentality of Ghanaians is what caused us Dr. Baumia. Because me mandan Jonathan say NDC after making noise for 8 years and getting supreme government would even complain. But you catch Ghana for say, yeah, who am I paying? Some profile way, yeah, who am paying? Na wo mususu kruwa na wo mutrima ne sanka election no anka MPP winning because this is something that okay some people don't want to accept, but I'm telling you NDC did not think they were going to win this election. They catch you play. And that is the more reason why Aban Babin Abeka Kakra Yekoto Abano or said I say what to parliament said the Abaya near me says ya the bad new year no more, the baby of mine no brano, to me, that is all you wanted to do. And that is why I can never respect such a criminal like Aban Babin. Yes, I said he's a criminal. He's a criminal because he's a